Here is the star dish of West Africa, Mafé. It means a creamy sauce made from peanut butter and also a meat or fish dish. I'll show you how to prepare a tasty chicken mafé without adding any stock cube. The ingredients used here and the way of preparing them will bring a lot of flavors and especially umami. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by preparing the chicken. Remove the skin from 6 thighs. Score them lightly for even cooking. Put them in a large container. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, combine. Let rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut 2 carrots into small cubes. $400 grams of waxy potatoes in chunks. 2 mini peppers in chunks. Chop 2 onions. Cut 10 grams of cilantro into sections. Chop 20 grams of garlic. Put them in a bowl. Grate a piece of ginger to get 1 teaspoon. Put it with the chopped garlic. Squeeze 1/2 a lemon. Open 1 liter of canned tomato. Mix 200 grams of peanut butter with 15 centiliters of boiling water. Also prepare 70 grams of tomato paste. Put 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the chicken pieces. Let them grill for 3 minutes. Flip them over and leave for another 3 minutes. Remove them by leaving the oil. Put the onions in the pan still heated over high heat. Occasionally stir for 5 minutes. They'll become soft. Add the garlic and the ginger. Stir for 2 minutes. On these condiments will enhance the flavor of the sauce. Put them on one side of the pan. Turn on low heat, add the tomato paste and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Stir for 2 minutes. By heating the paste, the umami flavor intensifies. Stir together and add the vegetables, the carrots, the potatoes, the mini peppers, the canned tomatoes, the lemon juice, the peanut butter. Mix all together. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of ground pepper, mix again. Put the chicken pieces. And their juice. Mix by putting the chicken pieces in the sauce. Put the lid on and let simmer over low heat for 30 minutes. Stir every 5 minutes because the sauce is quite thick and it may burn at the bottom. After 30 minutes, add the cilantro. Briefly stir and turn off the heat. The chicken mafé is ready. I cooked some rice to enjoy with the tasty and creamy sauce. Bon appétit! Everyone will love this mafé. For those who don't know it, it will provide a great originality during a meal to share with friends or family. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.